One-step production method. This is the most common method used to produce quartz glass in a continuous process. The quartz sand is melted in a tungsten crucible that contains electrical heating elements. The fused material flows down from the crucible through a bottom mold, where it is shaped into tubes, plates and rods. Oxygen-hydrogen flame fusion production method. This is the fusion process occurs through a hydrogen-oxygen H2O2 flame. The raw material is heated up through a H2O2 flame until it melts. In this way, we obtain a lingot, which can be shaped into tubes, rods, discs, plates. The optical properties of these qualities of quartz glass are excellent. Electric vacuum two-step fusion method. The first production step consists in a quartz glass lingot that is obtained through an electrical vacuum fusion furnace. Then it is fused again through an induction furnace to become tubes, rods and plates. The quartz glass produced through this method has an excellent thermal stability. Electric cylinder fusion method. The fusion process occurs into a mold represented by a cylinder. One electrical heating is placed in the middle of the cylinder, while the others externally all around. The particularity of this process consists in the rotation of the mold around its axis during the fusion of the quartz sand. In this way the melted quartz fixes on the inner wall of the wall by centrifugal acceleration. This technology allows obtaining large diameter quartz glass tubes with big thickness.